Hi, this is Mrs. McDonald. I am the Moodle PE middle school teacher, or one of them. I just wanted to reach out in a video and go through a couple things about the Moodle course. Hopefully I'm going to make some things a little bit easier for you. I received some feedback from some parents and students on things that were difficult for them, and I wanted to see if I could make it more simple for you. So first thing is, how do I know what is due and when? So when you log into your Moodle, right now I'm viewing as a student, you will see this general topic at the very top. And it has my course information, my contact information, it has my weekly Zoom links, and my office hour links at the top. And then the next thing that you'll see is my weekly agenda. I will update this every week, and it will show what is due the following week. So last week during class on September 17th, I went over what was expected and what would be due on on September 24th. And these are the items that they would have to do and turn in. I also created a little help, how do I area, and I will also upload this video to that spot when I am done. And it's how do I upload assignments, how do I do a Google Doc, how do I participate in forums. All of them have links right here, so if you get stuck and it's super late at night and there's nobody there to help you, you can go here to find it. As you move down, the next thing that came through as a big problem from both students and parents is submitting assignments. It's come to my attention that Google Docs have not been really easy to submit. I was unaware of this problem until recently, so I have been troubleshooting to find the easiest way to do so. One of my fixes has been for the assignments, I'm trying to give two different versions of the assignment so that you can submit either one that's easiest for you. I know not all computers have the Microsoft Word suite on there, so if I upload an Excel spreadsheet or if I upload a Word document, you might not be able to use it and would have to convert it to Google anyway. So I'm trying to make sure that I include both versions when I assign something. So if I look at Unit 2, which is what we would be due most recently, and I go to the activity log right here, you will see that I have this activity log right here, and I can also submit. That was the Word document, and if I want to submit, I would go to press submit, and I can drag and drop that Word doc, or if I have a Google Doc like this, let's say I had filled out my Google Doc, I did 5 minutes of, I did stretching. And this was all filled out. What I could do for that is I can click on here and I can copy my link and go over to my Moodle page, and I am going to type my name and then highlight my name and hit this little link button right here and copy that link right into here. Click open a new window and create link. So now I have a link for that Google Doc as an assignment. I could also, if I had an activity, if I had it in right here in a Word document, I could select it from my files and I could drag and drop right into there. So you have a couple options on how to submit, and then I'm going to hit Save Changes and make sure that it has been submitted for grading, and you have the green button. And you should see your file submissions, what file is submitted, and that you have, if you did a Google Doc, you should see that you have an online text as well. When I did this the first time, when I already used that one to submit, but when I did it the first time, let's say I go to this cardio reflection sheet and I want to submit to here. I'm going to add a submission. And again, I can drag and drop. And I can also type in my name and use a link. Here's a Google form, a Google sheet, and I can copy that, highlight this, and create that link. You don't have to do multiple ways. I'm just showing you both ways that you can submit an assignment. And I'm going to hit Save Changes. Whichever one is easiest for you. If you prefer working in Google Docs, that's absolutely fine. If you prefer working in Microsoft, that's fine too. Now see, it is right here, submitted for grading. And pretty soon I'm going to get a pop-up that my email has been, that I have submitted an assignment through email. So you should be getting a confirmation each time you submit an assignment. If you're not getting that, it could possibly still be in a draft form, and I may not see it right away as a submission. So hopefully this will help clear up some of those issues with submitting documents. If you have any other questions, please reach out and I'm happy to see how I can help you. Thank you.